So, what's up guys, and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we'll be tying very much of a really simple pattern called Bloodworm. We have another Bloodworm video on the channel, but we're going to make this Bloodworm in a slim version. And we are using an Ahrex curved nymph hook number 16 for this. Barbless, and when it's tight in this size, it's something like the bloodworm or the pupa you can find in the nature. We are using a Semperfli Nano Silk 50-10 Red for this task, and I've securely placed the hook in the vise. And as you see, it's like a rather small hook, so we have to kind of zoom in to get everything in, get all the picture on it so you can see what we are actually doing. I had myself pretty good success with the bloodworm, especially in the early season, like in the spring and stuff, and before midsummer. We are using, for the body of this fly, we are using UTC Red vinyl rib in small. And you can fish this fly both in lakes and running water. If you are going to fish it in running water, you might like to place a bead on the front of it, but I'm going to tie this one without the bead. So we attach the vinyl rib like so on the top of the hook shank, if possible, so it's like not sliding to each side, creating a bulk. But one thing that you can do here with this fly, maybe not in this size, but a little bit bigger, you can put like a hollow tinsel under the vinyl rib. And we are not doing that in this video, but it's gonna give you like a transparency of the silver color, so you get like a little more shinier effect on the body. I'm not sure though if that is like really changing the game while you're fishing with the fly. Yeah, remember to like, share, and subscribe. We've come with the vinyl rib all the way to the place where we want to lock that in with our thread. And this is, as you see, this is like the most simple patterns you can actually, it's among the most simple patterns you can find to tie. This is like an excellent pattern for beginners and stuff like that. So we locked in the vinyl rib, and we're just gonna trim this away. You can actually, with this fly, you can tie like a little collar on it, so not like a collar, but like a tiny wing sticking out of it. We are not doing that, but I'll show you here, just right here. This is like how I sometimes tie this, just like to get this emerging effect of it, even though it's supposed to be fishing under the water film. You can use Antron or just any white material actually for this, just not much longer than I did with the one I showed you. This fly works both for trout and sea trout and Arctic char here in Iceland. And this been successful for me during the early season in the while fishing. When you fish the bloodworm in like larger sizes than this, it's not imitating like the bloodworm itself in nature. It's imitating something else. I don't know. It attracts anyway. It attracts fish, so it's definitely gonna work. For the finish of it, we'll just place like a drop of the UV resin, the Solarez bone cure, and on this fly I showed you there, I actually put the bone cure all over the body, but that's just an optional thing. Then you're going to fry that with our light, and we'll be good to go fishing on the 1st of April when the season starts here in Iceland. But I just want to say to you guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you may consider to support the channel, because it's a lot of work I've been putting into the channel, hours and hours of work, and I'm not going with the channel or on Patreon or anything like that. It's the donations are just optional, and it will stay like that. I'm not going to go on Patreon ever. Promise you that. So the bloodworm is ready here. Cleaned the blocked eye, the hook eye, and it's ready to fish. I'll just see you guys. Say thanks for watching, and I will just see you guys in the next video.